Today, I'm going to show you how to add a billing address to your Vanilla gift card. This is important for making online purchases seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official website for Vanilla gift cards, which is https://www.vanillagift.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to register your card. Click on Register or Manage your gift card, depending on what's shown. Now, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Make sure you type these details correctly to avoid errors. After your card details are verified, you'll be prompted to add a billing address. Enter your full name, the address you want linked to the card, city, state, and zip code. Double-check for accuracy before submitting. Once you submit, you should receive a confirmation that your billing address has been added. You're all set to use your Vanilla gift card online. And that's it. You've successfully added a billing address to your Vanilla gift card.